So probably about 2.5 years ago that I came to the office, and I was scared. I didn't know, here I am in my late 50s, and the last thing I wanted to do was to try to get any kind of dentures. And so I reached out and said, please help me. I hadn't been eating solid food for a number of years because I wanted to try to keep my teeth. I couldn't really chew or swallow or anything. And so I came to the office in high hopes of trying to help me to be able not only to eat, but to live my life as a person really and have a smile on my face.
Vicki initially came to me with a failing and a loose lower bridge, which had lost its foundation, and the supporting teeth were not restorable. She needed to have all of her teeth extracted, but she didn't want to get a denture. She had a job that required her to be in front of people all the time. And it was really important for her to be able to remain socially active and also be able to smile and just eat normally.
So in coming to the office, I have very, very professional staff, very kind, very tender, loving care. Really did everything possible, very thorough with the x-rays, with consultations. And of course, the doctor himself was fantastic with me, explaining everything in great detail. I had a million questions, of course. And he let me have my husband come in and also explained to him, took his time in making sure that I completely understood all of my options. What I really liked too was that he gave me several options and showed me the risks and told me the pluses and the minuses, and I was able to really make an educated decision that was best for me.
So we discussed extraction of her teeth and immediate placement of several dental implants in order to provide her with a fixed new teeth. So for this, we first scanned her jawbone in order to do a three-dimensional computer-assisted planning, and this allowed us to plan accurate and safe positioning of the dental implants.
The procedure itself, of course, the day of the event, everybody in the entire office was very warm, very welcoming, again, very professional. Of course, I was nervous, but they escorted me to the room. In fact, the doctor held my hand as I went to sleep. He was very kind, and I really appreciate that.
So for her treatment, under IV sedation, I extracted her remaining lower teeth and immediately placed 5 dental implants. Then a set of temporary teeth were attached to the implant, and this was done all in the same day. This way she wouldn't have to go without her teeth at any time. And the entire procedure took about 4 hours.
And then the whole experience itself was painless. I woke up, and the next thing I knew, it was an hour or so later, and the doctor was over me and everything was good. And I went home, and then he actually called me that night at my home. I remember that. My husband put the phone to my ear at 10 o'clock at night. He just wanted to make sure that I was okay. And I appreciate that very, very much. And I'll always remember it. Here's a couple years later, but I'll always remember it and tell all my friends that, he's not only a doctor, he's a person, and he cares. He really does care about you and making sure that you get what you want.
We allowed the implants to heal for about 3 months before they were restored with her final teeth. Her new teeth are extremely strong. They look very natural, and she can basically eat anything she wants to with great confidence. She was absolutely ecstatic with the results, and we could not have been happier with the outcome of her treatment.
And consequently, I had follow-up visits, x-rays, all of that, and everything turned out absolutely 100% perfect. It was a unique procedure, and we kind of got out of the box on it, but it met my needs 100%. I'm very, very happy today. I have a beautiful smile that I love, and I can only tell you, if you only remember one thing about this video, is that I have my confidence back. And I have to do presentations 90% of the time with my job in front of hundreds of people, and I feel 100% confident that I can put on this smile, and I feel really good about myself. So thank you for giving me my confidence back and letting me live my life. And I will have anybody give me a call. I'm happy to give you a vote of confidence.